Welcome to this short video in which we are going to present the Zpheres Navigator, to which you can sign up for free via our website. But let's look at the product. So to start Zpheres Navigator, all you need is a URL, and if you have an account, then you just key in your account credentials and you sign in. And what you see after signing in is very simple. All the application wants is data. So you select a zipped GTFS dataset, have prepared one here. And after you have uploaded the GTFS dataset, the software analyzes it and provides you with a navigation through that data, basically. Let's have a look at this step by step. So in the up left corner, you find a navigation through the data. So here you can find stops. You can actually key in stop names here or stop IDs. It helps you finding certain stops. The same thing is for the routes. You can select here or search for routes in case you have a lot of routes. But often you will use the route picker, which is here, for example. You can pick a route. Let's pick route number 4 here. And then we change the whole user interface to this route 4. You can switch direction A and B or inbound and outbound. You can change to different day types, which is relevant for the timetable. Let's go to the Saturday timetable. It looks different from the Monday to Friday timetable. This section here is for generating exports, for generating posters that you would like to publish on your website, or you want to print them. We will come to this in a second. On the right side is a map. So if we change the data, we see here that the map visualization changes. You see you can also select stops here. There's some functionality on this map. However, this is more for a rough context visualization. And in the lower section, we have the timetables. Since we have here selected a route, let's go to route number 4. We see the route timetable of route number 4. We see here the stops, and as you can see, as we navigate here through the stops, you see on the map that the position also changes. And we have here, for example, timetable annotations or exceptions are also visualized in the timetable. However, you can do two things from the timetable. You can actually publish documents from here, or you can navigate to a stop. Let's navigate, for example, to Richmond Avenue. And as you can see, we are now placed on Richmond Avenue. Here we are here on the map. And Richmond Avenue is served by more than one route. We see here it's served by route 9, direction A, 4, direction A, 5, 6, direction A, etc. And you see here the individual departures, 517, 521, etc. And you see here the future arrivals of the major stops of that route when you're going to be at certain stops on the trip and the final destination, basically. If you say, no, that's not what I want, I would like to actually change back to a route, then I can click the route 6A and I'm back on the route view. And now you see already you can navigate forward and backward. You can go back to Richmond Avenue and you're basically here again. So I'm going back to route number 4A. That's where the route where we came from. And it still remembers that you were on Richmond Avenue. Let's say we would like to publish now a document for this stop Richmond Avenue. Then you can select here out of a list of templates, we call it canvases. I'm going here to say I would like to publish a timetable. And if I click on this symbol here, on this little document symbol, then you see I'm generating a nicely designed poster, which is on route number 4, Richmond Avenue, Pineview Drive. I see here the route schematic with connections and travel times. I see the timetable. In this case, it's a regular timetable organized by day types and by hours of the day. We have here quite a few annotations. You see the little symbols inside the timetable. They are basically here generated. We generated the footnotes. And we have here at the bottom a footer with a QR code this is something then to understand a bit more in other short videos. If you would like to generate a different poster, then you basically close this and you say, no, I'd like to generate a route timetable, a different template. And if you click on this, then you see we have a different visualization. We have here in this case, it's not stop-centric, it's route-centric. So it's route number 4 towards Pineview Drive. And we see here all the departures, and you see all the stops basically on that route. Now, if you like the poster, if you think this is useful, then you can take a right mouse click and save as. You can save it to your local file system, or you can straight go to print. And let's do this here. I'm printing a PDF in this case, and I have here prepared an export folder, and let's call this document test. And if we go to the file system, I have here this test document. And if I'm going to open this with Acrobat, then we see we have actually a poster that you can send to somebody to print, for example. Yeah, that is a rough overview of the Zpheres Navigator. Let's go back to our website, and you can sign up here for a free seat to try it out with our data or with your own data. Thanks a lot.